Hello, in the last video, I show you what the toy shell should look like. Now we will take a look at the requirement and the deliverables of this project. In this project, we must handle all these 8 built-in commands with the same syntax as shown above or as shown in the previous video. Thus, an important part of my shell program will be to pass the command entered at the command prompt to break them down into their component part. Once the command has been passed, the component parts can be checked to ensure that a valid command has been entered and that it adheres to the required syntax. For this part, the results are worth 31 points out of 40 points available. The breakdown of these points is shown above. You need to demonstrate that your shell program works and that it can handle all of these requirements described above. Your demonstration should be captured in a screenshot and follow the sequence of commands given below. You need to show that your shell program implement the help command. This is the built-in command. ls-l, this is the Linux command. Set shell name, set terminator, new name, list new name, save new names to a file. And also the list new names, read new names from a file. Stop command. And this command shows your cat myaliens.txt means the save new names, this command is successful. So you print out this file means save new names, this command can work correctly. mycat file name, this shows the mycat is equivalent to cat. That means new name, this command is correct. And my copy, mycat, etc. In the screenshot, you need to capture all this command. Okay. These are 31 points out of 40 points. The part 1. Part 2, error handling. It worth 5 points. You need to demonstrate that your shell program can handle errors. Your shell program should effectively identify and recover from errors. For example, the bad input or the inability to execute a command should not cause your shell process to crash. This will be worth 5 points out of 40 points. To receive these 5 points, you must be able to handle at least 5 different kinds of errors. Your demonstration should be captured in a screenshot. Now I will show you my shell. I will run the my shell again. Now I will show you the error handling. Now I have new name. New name. This command is expecting 1 argument or 2 arguments. If I don't add any argument, now this shell program will print out my shell expected 1 or 2 arguments to new name this command. Now we add some new names. Now I will add save new names. Save new names, this command expect 1 argument, the file name. Now, if I don't add file name, it says expected 1 argument to save new names. This is a second error handling. Now, if I add, now let me see, save new names dot txt. Now I will read new names. Now read new names, this command also expect 1 argument, the file name. If I don't add file name after this command, I will get this message. Expected 1 argument to read new names. Now this is the third error handling. Now if I add read, type the command new names, and now I add a file name, this file doesn't exist, aa.txt. Your program will print out the file doesn't exist. Now the program doesn't crash, it just print out the error message and then print out another command prompt. Wait for the next command. This is a error handling. Now let's try the AA. AA is not a command. It's not a built-in command. It's not a Linux command. If I type this command, we will see no such file or directory. Okay, this is a 5 error handling. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 error handling worth 5 points. You also can handle the other errors, but at least you need to handle 5 errors. This is the part 2. Error handling 5 points. The part 3 is about the programming style. It was 4 points. 4 points out of 40 points. Please use the following programming style. First, you need to add the opening comments block. In the opening comments block, you add this at the beginning of the program, describe name, your name, and Coyote ID, the date you read this program. Now and also add the purpose of this program. Add the opening comments block at the beginning of the program. Okay. And also you need to add the comments block for every member function you define in the program. And to describe the purpose of the function, the parameters of the function, and the return value of the function. Don't forget to add indentation and spacing. Indenting each subcomponent or statement 2 or 3 spaces more than the construct within which it is nested. For loop, while loop, if statement at the indentation. And add a single space on both sides of binary operators. And place braces on separate lines, aligned with one another and the preceding lines. Add indentation and spacing can make your program easy to read. And also use descriptive identifiers to make your program easy to read. The programming style are 4 points. 4 points out of 40 points. For the deliverables, you have option to work individually or work in a partnership for this project. Only for this project, not the other homework. If you choose to work in a partnership, the team size should not exceed 3 members. Maximum, you can have 3 members in a team. In this case, only 1 member of your group should submit the assignment to Canvas on behalf of the entire team. Please include the name and the Coyote IDs of all team members in the opening comments block of the source code file. You need to submit the following 3 files to Canvas. First one is your source code file. It can be a .c or .cpp file. Now here I will show you how to do it. Now, assuming the file name is homework2.c. You use a cat command to print out homework2.c file. You print out this file to the screen, and then you select this file. Now you need to find the first line of this program. Okay, this is the first line of homework2.c. And then you edit, copy. Select edit from the menu, select edit, copy. And then you open a text editor or the notepad. This is an empty notepad or the empty text editor, and then paste. And then you paste the .c file or the source code in this .c file to this notepad or text editor. And then you save this file. Save this file as the myshell.c. And then you upload this file to the Canvas. Okay. This is the source code file. And you also need to submit the screenshot of the output showing the correct execution of your shell. That means you will, in the screenshot, you need to follow the sequence of the commands given here. Capture all the output of this command. And then the third one is a screenshot of the output showing the error handling, of your shell program. At least 5 errors. Okay, this is a requirement and deliverables of the project. In the next video, I will show you how can we start to write this shell program?